Welcome to Managing Master and Subprocesses in Visio using Excel. Hi, I'm Krutika. I work as an independent business analyst and have a BCS certification in modeling business processes. I believe using Excel to create and manage processes in Visio is a smart and helpful way for business analysts and teams to understand and improve how work gets done. This process involves creating master and sub-processes in table in Excel to define business workflows. These tables are then imported into Visio to automatically generate flowcharts. So let's start with managing master and sub-processes in Visio. So you should have first you need to have a Excel sheet with master processes as well as sub-processes. I have media accreditation process file in which I have created a master process for media accreditation, and if you see there are three sub processes for media accreditation. In I have also added sub processes in my master file so that we can link them into the Visio file. If you again, to link with the Visio files, I have changed the table names as per our requirement. If you click on the table and go to the design, you will see you can change the table name. Here you can change table name. I have changed it to master table so that I will have link to the master Visio file. If I make changes in the master table, it will update in the master process file. Again, I do have changed it for verify process, committee review, again notify applicants. uh, uh, hmm, okay, notify applicants. So let's go to our Visio. Go to the new, select cross functional flowchart, create. Okay, so I always used to prefer horizontal cross functional flowchart, so I have selected a horizontal. And again we have to browse the Excel sheet where we have where the location, it's in Visio, I guess. Yeah, here it is. Media accreditation process, subprocess Excel sheet. Let's open it, and you will see four data tables: master table, verify process, committee review, and notify applicant. These subprocesses are also there. Let's select master table, click on the next, and as we have seen our previous video, we mapped all columns with the shapes, data, etc. So you can go and check my another video. Let's click on the next. And yeah, sorry, I wanted to have, this time I wanted to have BPMN uh, objects. So instead of cross functional flowchart shapes, I will use BPMN basic shapes. Let's select it, and you will see all BPMN basic shapes are there. Let's map them. So we have a start. Let's start a start event goes to start, then gateway goes to decision, task goes to process, end event goes to end, and again we have sub process, that is collapsed sub process. Yeah, let's click on next and finish. So here you go. We have successfully created our master process. Let's rename it with master. Okay, media AC master underscore process. Let's save it. We'll save it to PC. Okay, let's go to Visio only. Media AC diagram. Okay, I will delete this file. Again, Okay, so we have to import sub processes. I will insert new page in the same file, go to data and import the another sub process, verify process, next, BPMN shapes, int, event end, then start event and map it to task. Next and finish. Okay, we have got our process flow diagram. Let's move shapes inside. So we have our soap process with us now. It's verify process. Okay, let's control S. Let's add new one, another sub process, create, again same. You can also choose another Excel sheet if you have, but I have created all tables in the same Excel sheet, so I'm choosing same Excel sheet. So committee review, next, basic shapes, task, start event and end event, finish. Let's save it. This one is committee review. Okay, next add new page, import new file, new sub process from the same file, notify applicants, next, and basic shapes, task, start and end event, start event, yep, and finish. I'm sure after watching this video you are going to shift to data visualizer. Let's rename, it's notify applicant. Yep, done. Let's control S. Let's go to master file and we have three sub processes. If you see, they are shown as a collapsed sub process, verify request, committee review and notify applicant. Let's link them with the sub processes. Go to uh, right click and go to hyperlink. You will see you have to browse where your file is already saved. So we have already saved our file. It's, I guess, yeah, media accreditation diagram. Open it and it will automatically detect pages. You see, then select appropriate sub process which you have to link. Then click on OK. Let's do next one. Same process for this next process. Hyperlink, browse it, local file. Committee review. Okay. And now notify applicant. Browse. Okay. So let's check if they are linked to our master process or not. Just go there, wait for the instructions, or you can just click control plus click. Here you go. We're on the sub process. Next one, committee review. Here we go on committee review. And now notify applicant. Yeah, it is also linked. Okay, so I guess we are clear how to link sub processes with master process. Hope you liked my video. Liked it, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. Stay tuned for next video. Bye bye. Take care.